Hi, I'm Pallavi, and today I'm gonna talk about depression, a very common word which we can hear nowadays. I think it's on trend maybe. Yesterday, a famous Bollywood actor, Sushant Singh Rajput, committed suicide, and the reason behind this is depression. A actor whose every film gave us a positive, inspiring message. That same actor committed suicide. From this, we can have a lesson that the person who is smiling in front of you may not be happy. Maybe they may have some sorrow inside. From yesterday, the whole social media platform is being flooded with Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Among them, I saw most three important posts that many of us have posted. First was everyone were shocked, everyone were it was unacceptable for us, unbelievable. And the second post which I saw was many of us were posting that if you're having any problem, if you're having depression, if you're stressed, then go and talk and share your problem with your friends. This was second type of post. And the third post which I saw was there were many people posting that yes, I am depressed, I am stressed, I am not happy, but whom should I talk with? There are many people posting this. Yes, whom should you talk? I have the answer also. There are many counselors, there are many institutions, there are many helpline numbers, there are many doctors you can talk with. बट एक सच बात बताना, जब इंसान डिप्रेस्ड होता है, जब इंसान एक बहुत ही बुरा वक्त से गुजर रहा होता है, क्या वो उस हालत में होता है टू शेयर हीज प्रॉब्लम विथ एनीबडी एल्स? I think maximum answer would be no. When a person is depressed, when a person is stressed, he wants to stay alone. He doesn't want to open up. He doesn't want to share anything with any of the people, any of his or her close friends. You know, there are lakhs, billions of people in this world, and every one of us have different life story, and every one of us are alone. But when we are having problem, when we are stressed, we can't share things with all. सबके साथ होता है, सबके जीवन में ऐसा कुछ ना कुछ इंसिडेंट होता है जो हम किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं कर सकते. Which we can't share with our parents, with our friends, with our family, nobody. वो एक गिल्ट अपने अंदर काम करता है. And you are expecting that person to share with an unknown? I don't know. लोग शेयर करेंगे कि नहीं? हाँ, शेयरिंग से आपका गम मिटेगा, आप हल्का होगे. It's absolutely true. Okay, before that, I'll come to some numbers. Like yesterday, I was going through WHO's website and I came up that more than 250 million people are having depression right now in this world. And more than 8 lakh people commit suicide every year out of depression. The numbers are like, we can't count the zeros also. How many zeros are there? It's not a small number. It's not 4 or 5 people dying. If talking and sharing was the solution, then I don't think that the numbers were so high. You know, एक इंसान, सपोज मैं डिप्रेशन में हूँ, सपोज इफ आई एम ऑन डिप्रेशन एंड मैं आपके पास जाती हूँ अपना जो भी प्रॉब्लम है शेयर करने के लिए, एंड आई केम टू नो दैट यू आर हैविंग मच बिगर प्रॉब्लम देन मी, then how will I expect you to help me out of my depression? Not possible. मैं आपको अपना बेस्ट फ्रेंड मानती हूँ. It is being said that go and share your problem with your close ones, with your best friends. So if suppose you are my best friend and I am gonna share my problem with you and I came to know that you are having more problem, then how will you help me out? उल्टा मुझे डिप्रेशन और हो जाएगा कि मेरे फ्रेंड को भी ऐसा हो रहा है, उसका तो मेरे से भी ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है. The thing which can happen after sharing is that कि आपका मन हल्का होगा. You will say that okay, I have shared my problem with someone, so that someone XYZ knows about my life, knows about what I am going through. But that person can't feel your problem. They can't feel it because it's your own, it's your personal thing which you are going through. Nobody else can help you out in that. People will come and listen to you and they will say कि अच्छा don't worry, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, आप चिंता नहीं करो. They can only say this. You have to find solution on your own. Nobody can help you. It's like कि I am depending upon you for my happiness. बात तो ऐसे ही हो गई ना कि मैं आपके ऊपर डिपेंड कर रही हूँ मेरा स्ट्रेस दूर करने के लिए. मतलब आप हो मेरे हैप्पीनेस का चाबी. I don't think this is gonna work out. This is a solution, but this will not work for a long term. आप अगर किसी पर्सन को अपना सब शेयर कर रहे हो, 1 day शेयर किया, 2 days शेयर किया, 3 days शेयर किया, 4 days शेयर किया, you go on sharing. One point will come where you will feel that I am disturbing that person. This is the tendency of a depressed person. One day you will feel that I am sharing all the things with that person, that XYZ person may get bored out of me. So what to do at that point of time? As per me, like it's my thinking. You all have your own mind, you all have different mindset, you may have different thought, but as per me, meditation, yoga, pranayam can only help you out of this situation. At least if you practice meditation regularly, you will not have a thought of committing suicide. Rather than you will have a thought of finding solution to your stress. Committing suicide is the greatest, biggest sin I think. मतलब उससे बुरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. Nobody has given you the right to take your life. God has gifted you a life and you don't have a right to snatch it. If you are ever feeling depressed, if you are stressed, go sit with yourself. Spend some time with yourself and meditate rather taking stress, rather thinking of your stress. And I can guarantee you, if you meditate regularly, on a regular basis, your stress will go away. You will definitely find a solution. rather than committing suicide. My dear friends, I would request every one of you, each and every one of you, do meditate. Sharing is always a solution, it is a solution, but the biggest solution is meditation. Meditation can take out your stress away, can throw your stress away. Now, if you say that how to meditate, there are many guided meditations on YouTube. You can go and sit and meditate. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to go anywhere. You just have to sit in your home, switch on your YouTube, search for some guided meditation, and you can meditate. Just close your eyes and follow the instructions, whatever it's being said. Now, if you say how to do yoga, same. There are many channels on YouTube which are providing yoga classes. You can learn from them. Spend some time with yourself. In the whole 24 hours of time, don't take stress for 24 hours. At least for half an hour, you give time to yourself. Sit with yourself, close your eyes and meditate. This will help you out. I can guarantee this. So that's all I wanted to say. If you want to know anything else, you can definitely ask me. And if you want to share your thoughts about this, you can definitely let me know. Thank you and keep meditating and be happy.